When it comes to home financing, RichmondCustomHomes.com keeps it clear and simple. Building a custom home in Richmond doesn't have to be stressful if you follow the right steps from the beginning. First, start with a solid pre-approval so you understand your budget and financing options before making any decisions. Next, choose an experienced builder and finalize your plans early, because lenders require detailed contracts and timelines. Then, select the right construction loan. This is where many buyers go wrong, since the wrong loan can cause delays and unexpected costs. During construction, stay involved but rely on professionals to manage inspections, timelines, and draw schedules. Most importantly, keep a financial cushion for unexpected expenses so you're never caught off guard. The key to a stress-free build is planning ahead, choosing the right team, and using a loan that fits your situation from day one. RichmondCustomHomes.com helps you avoid common mistakes and build your dream home with confidence and clarity. For more info, Duane Buziak, Mortgage Maestro, NMLS 1110647. Call 804-212-8663. Email Duane at coast2coastmall.com. And visit RichmondCustomHomes.com.